In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from Claude AI without formatting issues. First, open Claude in your browser and make sure you're on the main page. Claude's responses often include headings, lists, and code blocks, which is great for readability but can cause messy paste results if you move that text straight into a document without the right option. Head over to the chats area. This is where you'll see your recent conversations and where you can access anything you've been working on. It also keeps things organized so you can clearly identify the exact content you want to move over. From here, either start a new chat if you need fresh content, or open an existing chat if the material you want is already there. Give the page a moment to fully load the conversation so all the text you plan to copy is visible and ready to select. Now, highlight the content you want to copy. Click and drag from the beginning to the end of the text and try to include only what you actually need, such as headings, bullet points, and key paragraphs. Skip any extra UI bits or unneeded lines so you don't bring clutter into your document. If it's a long response, you can scroll while holding your selection or use a click at the start and a shift click at the end to capture everything cleanly. With your selection made, copy it. The standard keyboard shortcut works best, but you can also use your browser menu. At this point, the clipboard holds the text along with some of Claude's styling information, which we'll control in Word. Open Microsoft Word and right-click in a blank area of your document where you want the text to appear. Starting with an empty spot helps Word align the new content with your current document style. From the paste options, choose Paste with Merge Formatting. This is the crucial step. Merge formatting preserves the structure you care about, like bold, italics, and lists, while adapting fonts, sizes, and colors to match your document's theme. It prevents mismatched fonts, odd background shading, and inconsistent spacing that can sneak in from web copies. If something still looks a little off, use your document's existing styles to fine-tune headings or list spacing so everything stays consistent. And that's it. By selecting carefully in Claude, copying, and then using paste with merge formatting in Word, you'll move your content over cleanly while keeping your document polished and professional.